डियर सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स थर्ड चैप्टर आम फिजिक्स रा कैपेसिटेंस मु ऑलरेडी इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक दे सारी पोटेंशियल मध्य देइछि तार एमसीक्यू मध्य दे देइछि केतेटा शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन वर्तमान आम थर्ड चैप्टर को जिबा कैपेसिटेंस व्हाट इज कैपेसिटेंस कैपेसिटेंस पढ़िया पूर्व आम वर्तमान कैपेसिटर कथा आलोचना करिबा व्हाट इज कैपेसिटर कैपेसिटर कौन तमे जनरली जानिच फैन रे कैपेसिटर लागुची देखिथिबो आ मोटर रे लागुची कैपेसिटर रो अन्य नाम आल्सो योर स्टार्टर स्टार्टर रो काम कोन स्टार्ट करिबा जे कोनसी गाड़ी जेमति हम स्टार्ट करछे चौक दे दउछे सेही टाइप रो जे कोनसी इलेक्ट्रिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट हमें चलेबा को हेले इनिशियली एनर्जी बेसी दरकार एनर्जी कोठा आसीबो ना चार्ज रो आसीबो तेनु ताकू हमें स्टार्टर कहि परिबा फैन टे चला मोटर चला इनिशियली तार एनर्जी बेसी दरकार ओके सो स्टार्टर रो अन्य ना स्टार्टर एइति पई हेछि काना मशीन टाकू से स्टार्ट दबो इनिशियली स्टार्ट कले तमे साइकिल जेतोले फास्ट स्टार्ट करछो पेडल टिके जोर मारुछो तापरे चलला माने ऑटोमेटिकली से अल्प पेडल रे रनिंग करछि ओके तेनु स्टार्टर माने योर जो मशीन टाकू जे चलाए ता ना होछि स्टार्टर इंस्ट्रूमेंट ओके एठी हमें पढिबा तार अन्य ना होछि कैपेसिटर द इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइस इलेक्ट्रिक इक्विपमेंट रे एटा व्यवहार होछि तेनु इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइस द इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइस डिवाइस माने तमर यंत्र इंस्ट्रूमेंट मध्य तुम कहि दारो द इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइस व्हिच स्टोर माने संचित करि दो स्टोर्स लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज बहुत चार्ज से स्टोर करना इन ए स्मॉल स्पेस is called what your capacitor okay the electrical instrument or device which store करे large amount of charge बहुत चार्ज से निज भितर स्टोर करि परिबो संचित करि परिबो in a small space तमरो सेटा दानी भलिया छोटटे हितिबो तेनु अल्प स्पेस रे से बहुत चार्ज कोन करि परिबो स्टोर करि परिबो ताकू हमें कहबा कैपेसिटर और स्टार्टर ओके तेनु इलेक्ट्रिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट जे चार्ज रखि परिबो एनर्जी जोटा हमें कहूचे चार्ज मीन्स व्हाट इज योर इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी स्टोर करि परिबो स्टोर न कले से स्टार्ट दबो केमिति तेनु ताकू किछि एनर्जी तमे खाइले तो एनर्जी हबो पाठ पढिबो सिमिलरली ये कोन करिवो ना गुडा चार्ज स्मॉल स्पेस रे स्टोर करनबो एवं स्टार्ट दबो काहाकू ना तमर फैन मोटर ई सब इलेक्ट्रिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट को स्टार्ट देला माने चलला ओके which stores large amount of charge in a small space अल्प स्पेस रे बहुत चार्ज जे स्टोर करि परबो ता ना होची योर कैपेसिटर नेक्स्ट बुझिबा तापर हम जिबा कैपेसिटेंस को कैपेसिटेंस इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ए कैपेसिटर ए जो कैपेसिटर हम कथा हम आलोचना करले तार प्रॉपर्टी से केमती फंक्शन करिवो दैट इज इक्वल टू योर कैपेसिटेंस व्हाट इज कैपेसिटेंस it is defined as यार संज्ञा या कौन संज्ञा the charge per unity potential difference ओके तेणु जो चार्ज कथा हम आलोचना करछे केते चार्ज से स्टोर कर परिबो पर यूनिटी पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस तार तो पोटेंशियल हमको दबा पड़ो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव तुम जान तुम करेन्ट रे बा बैटरी रे पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव अच्छी तेणु पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव भितर जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मेंटेन हम मेंटेन हैला परे सर्किट क्लियर हम सर्किट क्लोज हो गला परे से चार्ज कौन कर स्टोर कर परिबो ओके और आउट डेफिनेशन आमे नहीं पाइबा it is defined as what ratio between what charge you see charge per unit potential difference it is defined as ratio between charge and potential difference जोटा को हमें पीडी कहिबा ओके बुझि पाइलो आइदर एटा को तुम लिखि परिबो चार्ज पर यूनिटी पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस और एटा को लिखि परिबो इट इज डिफाइंड एज द रेशियो बिटवीन चार्ज एंड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्लियर डेफिनेशन देखियो से जिंसटा कोन ए कैपेसिटेंस को हमें सिंबलिक यूज करछे सी ओके सिंबलिक कैपेसिटेंस इज इक्वल टू सी हमें लिखि परिबा इट इज डेनोटेड मींस सिंबलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन शॉर्टकट रे हमें कोन लिखबा it is denoted by C. So C is equal to Q by V. What is Q? Q is equal to charge. Store कला केमती स्टोर कला पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मेंटेन हैला ताले V is equal to your potential difference. तेनु तमे जेतले पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मेंटेन हबो उटे सर्किट क्लियर हबो सर्किट रे तमे कैपेसिटर लगेइबो ताले से चार्ज स्टोर करिवो ताले पर यूनिट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस पई से केते चार्ज स्टोर करिवो दैट इज द योर कैपेसिटी ऑफ ए कैपेसिटर तमे देखि तो फैन रे छोटटे लागुची मोटर रे बडटे लागुची आउ जदी भोजी भात रे तमे जाइथिबो केतले देखिथिबो बार गुडा को लागुची एबे अवश्य से गुडा को आउ लागु नै बड बड कैपेसिटर ग्लास होलिया बडटे लंबाटे सिलिंडर टाइप रो थिबो दीटा तार कोन हेतिबो इलेक्ट्रोड लागिथिबो लाइक दिस एठी गोटे तार उठिथिबो एठी गोटे तार उठिथिबो दिस इज ए टाइप ऑफ कैपेसिटर जेतबे गोटे बार टे जळु नै माने ट्यूबलाइट जळु नथबो सेटा पुराना व्यवहार होतला एबे प्राय तम इलेक्ट्रोनिक्स जिंस आसी गला तेनु एटा प्राय आवश्यक पडु नै से स्टार्ट नै जाउची ओके न जळले धप धप जेतले हेतिबो संध्या बेले वोल्टेज कम थिबो एबे तो वोल्टेज ठीक रहउची ए दीटा को से दीटा टर्मिनल रे जोडी देले ये कोन करबो सडन गुडाई चार्ज से रिसीव करनबो माने स्टोर करनबो मात्रे एनर्जी आसी गला एनर्जी आसीले कोन करबो धक्का देले स्टार्ट हो गला माने इनिशियली ट्यूबटा जळी उठिला तापर आउ से धबधब हबो नाही ओके सो कैपेसिटर रो स्ट्रेंथ ताकू हमें कैपेसिटी बोली कहबा केते चार्ज स्टोर करि परिबो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस पर यूनिट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ओके दिस इज द योर मैथमेटिकल फार्मूला ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस नेक्स्ट आमे जिबा व्हाट इज योर यूनिट एंड डायमेंशन फार्मूला SI unit of C means capacitance C is equal to your SI unit of capacitance is Farad ताकू शॉर्ट रे आमे लिखुचे कैपिटल F जब डायमेंशन फार्मूला को जिबा तमर डायमेंशन फार्मूला निश्चय गोटे क्वेश्चन आसीबो SI यूनिट रो निश्चय गोटे क्वेश्चन आसीबो ए दीटा रो दीटा क्वेश्चन तमे MCQ रे पाइ जिवो डायमेंशन फार्मूला ऑफ C what is C you first dimension formula you know your what formula you see C is equal to Q by V Q dimension formula Q is not a fundamental quantity so transfer Q is equal to IT that is called your IT this is called potential is equal to work done per unit charge you see IT is equal to 80 Q you take here again is equal to IT that is equal to your 80 ampere and time okay current and time that is equal to divided by work done is equal to force into displacement that is equal to m l square t to the power minus 2 okay force is equal to m acceleration l t to the power minus 2 again l at a time is equal to l square use कर देछि okay you simplify it m to the power minus 1 you see L to the power minus 2. Again you see t square, this t to the power minus 4, then a. Okay, this is called your dimension formula. বুঝিপাইল? m to the power minus 1, L to the power minus 2, এটা উপর পড়াইব। Then এটা this is called to your t square, this is equal to t minus 2, that is equal to t to the power 4. You see, this is equal to t to the power 4, then a to the power 2. This is equal to your dimension formula. Clear? देखो अब थरे मु देखि दउची m to the power minus 1, L टा ऊपर पळेला, L to the power minus 2, t, this is equal to t square by t to the power minus 2, that is equal to t to the power 4, then a square. This is equal to dimension formula. Okay, next आमे जिबा relation between but you see next question, c is equal to q by v, your SI unity your Faraday, this is equal to your Coulomb, this is equal to your what, volt. So question may come, what is the relation between Faraday, Coulomb, volt? So you have to write Faraday is equal to Coulomb by volt. Okay, next, spherical capacitor. Capacitors are different types according to construction. Capacitors are different types. आम देखिबा spherical capacitor. Spherical what? गोलक तमे जानिछो, स्फीयर भलिया हेतिबो। वर्तमान मु चार्ज एत रखि देली। ओके, distance is equal to your r. So this is a capacitor. So to find, question is find or derive an expression for capacity of a spherical capacitor. Capacity of a spherical capacitor. Okay, ताले हमें consider कौन नबा, figure टा कौन is consider a spherical capacitor of charge plus q at the center, lines of force away, this is equal to radius r. So consider equate. Next, let q is equal to your charge, r is equal to radius, then what, your c, capacity, simply can write capacity or capacitance. Okay, you see this is a point A. What is the potential at point A? Because you know capacity is equal to q by v. So q know, this is equal to small q. You can write here also small q. So q by v. So you have to find potential. So you take here potential. V is equal to potential at A. What is the potential at A? You know from charge, any charge your q, distance r, potential is equal to what? तमे potential chapter रे जानि छो, V is equal to 1 by r base 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. This is equal to potential 8. You see, this is equal to your charge, this is your distance r, this is equal to your potential. So potential at a point from charge q of distance r is equal to in air. This is the q and this point, medium is air. So this is V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r. Now, okay, very प्राय तुम नोट करथिबो, जदि न करथिबो भी करि परिबो. So C is equal to q by V. You write, do we know? This is the definition of a capacitance. So C is equal to q, then V is equal to, you see, q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r. Okay, 4 pi epsilon 0 r. Then take, simplify it. C is equal to q you alter it into 4 pi epsilon 0 r by q. Q cancel. This is equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 r. So if you know radius, that is c directly proportional to r. If radius increases, jete bodo spherical capacitor nobo tar capacity increase. Okay. If radius decreases, then capacity decreases. So c is equal to 4 pi epsilon 0 r. You know 4 pi epsilon 0 value. Then put the value of a radius, then you get your mathematically capacitance of a spherical capacitor. Clear? Next, আমি ଯିବା parallel plate capacitor. What is parallel plate capacitor? Like your spherical capacitor, like a sphere, parallel plate capacitor also, according to construction, parallel plate capacitor, two parallel plates in the capacitor is called your parallel plate capacitor. One plate is your positive charge, that is called plus Q. This is called to negative charge. So this is called to equal and opposite charges parallel to each other and a small distance in between two. That is a parallel plate capacitor. So what is parallel plate capacitor? The parallel plate capacitor consists of two parallel plates having equal and opposite charges is called parallel plate capacitor. Construction अनुसार ता नाटा हिची. ओके. बर्तन parallel plate capacitor नहीं गली. मोर कौन मु कौन करबा चाहूची. Question is find capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Of a parallel plate capacitor. Plate capacitor in air medium. Filled with air. You can write filled with air. Air also. So how to find capacity of a parallel plate capacitor? Consider, you write, consider figure first draw, then consider what is, consider a parallel plate capacitor of equal and opposite charges placed at a distance d, filled with the air. Okay. Let Q is equal to your charge, A is equal to plate area. A plate जो नहीं चाहिए तुम्हें दीटा parallel plate तारा area, plate area. Okay. Then your charge density, surface charge density. You know Q by A, or Q is equal to what? Sigma A. Okay. You know electric field inside a parallel plate capacitor. Electric field. Electric field in airbase. This is called sigma by epsilon 0. এটা তোমার ইলেকট্রোস্ট্যাটিক চ্যাপ্টারে পড়িছো তুমি। Then this is called to 1 by epsilon 0. Sigma is equal to C Q by A. So is equal to Q by epsilon 0 A. This is equal to your electric field. Clear? Epsilon 0 A. We know what? Potential, electric field. What is the relation? You know E is equal to V by D, or V is equal to ED. You see E is equal to Q by epsilon 0 A into D. This is equal to your potential. We have to find capacitance. Okay. Then C is equal to capacitance. C is equal to capacity. You can write your capacitance. So C is equal to your Q by V. This is equal to Q. V you see Q by QD divided by epsilon 0 A. This you see simplified. और C is equal to Q into epsilon 0A divided by QD. This cancel. This is equal to epsilon 0A by D. This is equal to capacity of a parallel plate capacitor filled with air. Air रे जदि फिल अप होइतिबो कैपेसिटर टा ताल तार कैपेसिटी केमती फार्मूला बाहिबो epsilon 0A by D. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट आमे जिबा क्वेश्चन नाम दउची आगे फास्ट capacity, find capacity or derive an expression okay, expression means formula, deduce karo, derive an expression for capacity of a parallel plate capacitor okay, with dielectric medium, with some dielectric medium, dielectric means insulation other than air also your dielectric, but you take other than air plate capacitor with some dielectric medium. Okay, you see this is a parallel plate capacitor, dielectric medium you take your thickness T, this is equal to T, this is equal to your D. So what is the air? This air, this is equal to your D minus T. Okay, this is equal to plus Q, this is equal to minus Q. You see first question, derive an expression for capacity of a parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor बाहर करिगो with some dielectric. Dielectric means your insulator other than air. एयर व्यतीत जेकोसी तुम अन्य मटेरियल यूज कर जोटा कि इन्सुलेटर होता आम डाइलेक्ट्रिक बोली कहवा. क्लियर? देख फिगरटा सेम सेम करची. You see parallel plate capacitor, equal and opposite charges, plus Q minus Q. Your distance between the parallel plates is equal to D. जो insulator आम यूज करवा डाइलेक्ट्रिक, that is equal to thickness केते चौड़ार, that is equal to your T. So this is equal to T. This air gap is equal to D minus T. Okay. Then consider a parallel plate capacitor with some dielectric material or dielectric is as shown in figure. Let next come to let Q is equal to your charge. You see Q is equal to charge means one plate is positive charge, other plate is negative charge. A is equal to area of plate area, you can write plate area. Okay. D is equal to distance. का भीतर distance, parallel plate भीतर distance D. This is equal to T is equal to thickness. Dielectric thickness you can write dielectric thickness. जहाँ तुम नहीं थी तार thickness टा होची T. Okay. So C is equal to you know your Q by V. So you find first your potential. You know E is equal to V by D or V is equal to ED. This is the general formula to find potential. You see ED your electric field for air and for dielectric. दीटा तुम यूज करियो पड़ो. ओके. फर्स्ट आमे आसीबा एयर को. एयर रे तुमर कोन अछि? You see sigma is equal to Q by A or Q is equal to sigma A. Okay. ए यूज टा आमे यूज करिबा. E is equal to कोन? Electric field your E1 you take here for air. E this is equal to D is equal to D minus T. Okay. This is equal to E is equal to, you see E is equal to V by D, V is equal to ED or V is equal to this E1 D minus T plus for medium. Medium is equal to ET, E2T. Okay, E2 is equal to this, E2, this is equal to E1. Okay, बर्तमान एटा को हम एक्सप्लेन करबा, चेंज करबा. कौन चेंज करवा देखिबा we know electric field is equal to your sigma by epsilon 0 first parallel plate capacitor रे we use कर सकते E1 air E2 this is called to sigma by K epsilon 0 what is K K is your dielectric constant तमे जो dielectric insulation use करछो तार गोटे constant inversely proportional to electric field so you put this E1 and E2 here to get potential clear so V is equal to E1 you see sigma by epsilon 0 this is equal to D minus T okay plus E2 is equal to sigma by plus sigma by K epsilon 0 T this is equal to your potential you take common you see sigma by epsilon 0 if you take common this is equal to D minus T plus T by K clear this is equal to your potential बुझ पाइल next come to your capacity so C is equal to capacity C is equal to your Q by V you use small q because this is equal to your small q here this is equal to Q divided by you see V is equal to sigma by epsilon 0 D minus T plus T by K just you alter it simplify Q epsilon 0 by sigma next D minus T plus T by K okay देखो this is equal to V common sigma by epsilon 0 then C is equal to Q by V Q V value you put here simplify it now substitute to sigma what is sigma sigma is equal to your surface charge density you know your in electrostatic so sigma is equal to Q by surface area A you put here C is equal to Q by epsilon 0 sigma is equal to Q by A next D minus T plus T by K जान करछो you take it Q epsilon 0 A divided by Q D minus T plus T by K okay you see Q cancel that is equal to sigma epsilon 0 A by D minus T plus T by K this is called your capacity of a parallel plate capacitor with a dielectric medium if you are taking LCM then K will be here clear short question will come in base of a capacity dielectric medium and air medium clear in the next video I will show your combination of capacitors in parallel base and series base okay ठीक है जी थैंक यू